Hey you, yes you, see all these wonderful people right here? They are my Patreons. With the support I get from them, I can afford to do my passion as a career and bring you guys weekly videos. Want to join them? For just $1 a month, you can get videos 24 hours before anyone else. And for even higher tiers, you can get Polaroids, letters, and mystery boxes from me to you. And even Fursuit parts, not to mention my eternal thanks. So what are you waiting for? Become a Patreon today via the link in the description. Thanks again, enjoy the video. Oh my god! So this is the honey girl.
Honey girl and gold.
You can just rip it off. I didn't actually put that much tape on it because I lost my tape gun.
Does it matter if the box
No.
tears?
I'm going to reuse it anyway.
I spy fur.
Yeah, there's too much of it. So there's all your document
and card. Hell yeah, I get a badge.
Yeah.
Badge. Heck yeah. Bodge. Oh my god. Where do I start?
Probably by pulling out the huge massive fur on the top.
Big. She's so chunky. Oh my god. Ah! Tail.
I told you not so small,
Oh
but
my
it's
god.
a nub.
It is a nub. Oh my god, my baby. Oh my god.
That will hopefully keep you warm.
Oh my god, her tail's so chubby, I love it.
Oh,
Nah, I can go around. Stomper! Pete's! Oh my god, they're massive.
funny enough, that actually, my feet used to be bigger. That is a shrunk pattern.
Remember that Bigfoot you did, the blue one?
Yep.
That was like the size of your face. You wore it as a hat. Dompies!
So that'd be good slippers. So there's a zip in the back of those, so you can adjust how much stuffing you want, because I don't know how firm you want them on. Or some people have preferences, so there's a zip in the back that you can add stuffing, remove
The
stuffing.
paws feel so nice and velvety.
You picked that fabric.
I know. Pad. Butt. Pops! Oh my god, pops!
So this is my new pattern,
Those are pretty.
This would be...
and the padding is removable in these, and they're not lined because we find that it's harder to put lined paws on when you're sweaty. Like it's a nightmare. So we have
sticky.
removable padding, so your fingers just go underneath the padding.
I love the white dew claw. Puffy. It's time. Long hair everywhere. Oh my god, my baby! Oh my god, she's beautiful, I love her. Oh my god, she's perfect.
So the more that you brush this, the better it'll look.
Okay.
Even though, like, if you're gonna brush it and you notice, because some of them, if you brush the sides of the hair strands, they're gonna look better and better and better.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my god, she's perfect.
At least you have a tiny head, so I know it's gonna fit you.
Bye.
We're gonna see if we can try her on.
Yes, I
Time
have
to assemble.
leggings for this purpose.
We're friends, I can touch your butt. Did you claws go on the inside or outside?